Welcome to Taiji's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Japanese style potato salad. So this style of potato salad is really not like typical Japanese food. It's definitely a Western influenced food, but it's also something you don't really see outside of Japan. It comes quite often with a side dish for like Tonkatsu, Croquette, or Hamburg. And also quite typical for a bento box. And this is also something that you can make a big batch and store in the fridge and save for the next couple days. And today I'm making with bacon, but you can also easily make this vegetarian just by taking out the bacon, or also make it vegan if you use a vegan mayonnaise. This is actually very easy to make, and it's just so delicious and just perfect to go with any dish. So I really hope you give this a try yourself. Then, let's get started. Here are the ingredients for Japanese style potato salad. So here I have regular potatoes. So overall there are two types of potatoes. Potato that gets very soft when it's cooked and potato that stays the form. For this recipe it's better to choose the one that gets soft. Cucumber, carrot, an onion. And then for the meat I have some bacon. You can also use some ham or any kind of meat. Or if you're vegetarian you can skip the meat. Then you can easily make a vegetarian variation as well. Just any regular frying oil for frying. And I also have Kewpie mayonnaise. It's definitely better to make it with Kewpie mayonnaise because it has more umami in it. But if you can't get hold of it, then you can just use any regular mayonnaise. And then for the seasoning, salt and pepper. Then let's get into it. Here's the first thing. Let's cut up all the ingredients. So I'm going to start with the cucumber because this is the only ingredient that you're going to eat raw. I'm going to take the top and bottom off, then just slice as you'd normally do. If you can't slice like this, then you can of course use a slicer. As you cut this, make sure you have a so-called cat's paw, so that you're not going to cut the finger, but instead you have your knuckle like this, and then you're just going to slide the knuckle backwards like this. So just like that. And then next I'm going to cut up the carrot. For this I'll probably just need half of this. And then take the top off. I'm going to first cut it in half like this. Then I'm just going to cut in and a quarter like this. And then I'm going to cut up and slice this as well. So just like that. And also for the onion, I probably just need half of this as well. And then I'm going to peel off the skin. And then take the top and bottom off. And then slice this as well. Then just like that. And to prepare the potatoes, I'm going to first peel off the skin. You can leave your skin on, but it'll just kind of get in the way of texture. I personally like to peel the skin off, but of course you can leave it on if you want to. So then this is finished with peeling, but you have some dent parts you didn't get peeled. And for that you want to use this heel of the knife. Just gonna dig in like this, then that's perfect. And also another merit of peeling off the skin is that you see kind of the damaged parts like this. And then these I'm gonna kind of cut into bite-sized pieces. Then as the last thing, I'm gonna cut up the bacon. Just kind of into small pieces like this. So then with that, all the ingredients are cut up. So for the cucumber, I'm gonna salt this a little bit. Just about 4 teaspoons or so for a small cucumber like this. And then just kind of give it a good mix and let it sit like this and let the water come out of the cucumber. As the next thing, we're going to boil the potatoes. So for the potato, they say it's better to boil from cold water. So I'm going to put it in here. Then we're going to turn the heat to high and bring this to boil. So once it's come to boil, we're going to turn the heat to medium. Then we're going to heat like this in medium heat for about 6 to 8 minutes or so until you can stick in the end of the chopstick without any resistance. So 7 minutes has passed. So let's see how these turned out. Yep, this is good. Let's take all these out. So this is finished. I'm gonna put it to the side and let it cool off. And just to be energy efficient, I'm gonna use the same water to just slightly boil the carrots. Then I'm gonna keep boiling like this in medium heat for about 2 minutes or so. So just about 2 minutes has passed. Then this is also finished. I'm going to take them out. And make sure you drain the water. I'm also going to put this aside and let it cool off. So as the two ingredients have been cooking, as you can see the water has come out. So I'm going to squeeze out the water a little bit more. Then with that, this cucumber is also ready. So as the last thing to cook, I'm gonna fry the bacon and also the onions. So in a frying pan, turn the heat to high and put in some frying oil. Just about 1 to 2 teaspoons. So as this one heat up a little bit, I'm gonna put in first the bacon. And then once the bacon is half seared like this, I'm gonna turn the heat to medium, then put in the cut up onion. So as you can see, the onion has gotten a little half see-through like this. This is good. I actually don't want to cook the onion too much, then this is enough. Make sure to put in also the bacon grease as well, because this is also a lot of umami in it. Then that's done for that. So then with that, all the ingredients are prepared. Let's put everything together. So in a pot or any container like this, I'm gonna put all the ingredients. The potato, carrot, and the bacon and the onion. And then also a cucumber. And here I'm gonna put in the Kewpie mayonnaise. I really never measure the mayonnaise, just put in how much ever you want. What I usually do is just about a tablespoon worth for every potato. So today I have 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Just about that much. And then black pepper. This is also a preference thing. Just about 4 to half teaspoon would be enough. Then just mix this up. And as you mix this up, you kind of try to break up the potatoes like this. You don't need to break up everything, but just so that it gets a little bit smushy. There's a recipe you smush all the potatoes, but I kind of like to have a little bit chunky like this, so I'm not gonna smush everything. Okay, then with that, this is finished. Let's put it on a plate. Then with that, Japanese style potato salad is finished. Let's eat. Okay, then let's eat. Itadakimasu. Oh, this looks so good. Itadakimasu. So delicious. This is just a really great mix of flavor. You kind of smell smokiness from the bacon and also the sweetness from the potato and the onion. And then you have this crunchiness comes from the cucumber and everything is coated with this creaminess of the mayonnaise. It's just a really great combination altogether. And what you can also do is wrap this up in lettuce like this, like moss. And this salad has a little bit bitterness to it, so this adds another layer to the flavor. So delicious. Oh, that was so delicious. ごちそうさまでした. Oh, that was so totally savory. So as you saw, making this Japanese style potato salad is really not that difficult. You really don't need any special ingredients for this. Whenever I make this, I make a bigger portion like I did today, and then you can put it in the fridge and save it for a couple days. This serves as a perfect side dish for any meal, but also to put it in a bento box or something. And then you can also be creative what you put inside. This is also a great filling for the sandwich. So I really hope you give this a try yourself and put it into your repertoire. If you did enjoy this video, I'd love it if you hit the like button for me. And if you have any requests or any feedback or any questions, please feel free to write anything in the comments below. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye.